Welcome everyone. Today I've got the Cobra Stinger. I also don't have my microphone on. There it is. Just a recolored clone of the Vamp, pretty much. It had a bumper, and you could put your Cobra action figures back here to hold on to the rail. Originally came with a missile launcher installed there, and I've got the missiles but not the launcher. Go figure. It also had, this sort of plastic cowling went on both doors and across the top, but I've lost that as well. So you've got a place back here to hook your equipment if you want to tow it. Cobra logos everywhere, and you can tell it's an 80s toy or an 80s car because I hope it'll show up on camera. There on the front, turbo. Nothing said 80s like 80s vehicle, performance vehicle like a turbo. Got inlaid, the plastic form, the shovel, and looks like these are actually inserts there. I would actually probably come across. I can't remember. I don't think we had to clip it, push it together. I think it all came pre-assembled into one piece. But so there's the. If I can get in there to the dashboard. Lots of dials and gauges and whatnot, and gear shift. I can't even. Yeah, just sort of all the warning labels are just beware, and there's no real writing on any of them. Well, I say this is literally just a Vamp in a different color. It's not. They didn't even try and make it look like something else. Let's see. Any other feature? Like I say, it did have the swivel missile mounts on the back. No suspension at all, just solid across there. Reasonable ground clearance for a toy that back then. So you could take it off road, if you wanted to call it that. I've still got clutch from yesterday sitting here, so it just sort of seems like you just pop them in, like the head would never quite fit, so it had to pop them there. And there he was, driving the other guy. I don't think I was coordinated enough to get him in the top from that. But anyways, folks, that's the Stinger. Thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and got the Wheels Weekend starting up again tomorrow. I got what I think is a pretty cool one tomorrow. So hope you enjoy it. See you next time.